So before I tried yung bulldog na pink in a cup, but I found yung mga ganitong packaging. So I'm trying it out. Yan na siya. I cooked this for like 5 minutes. And then, we are just gonna assemble it. Tinatamad akong magluto ngayon, kaya nandito tayo ulit sa mga unhealthy ramen snack or food. I mean, yeah. Minsan may mga days talaga na nakakatamad magluto. Lalo na for me kasi I'm just by myself here. And alam mo yon, like, I don't wanna put too much effort and then ako lang yung kakain. So, I don't usually put the whole sauce kasi it's too spicy for me. And then what I also do is add cheese, grated cheese. So, let's do that. Wow, tigas na ng cheese ko. Pwede na yan. So, I don't feel so good right now. Para akong may low-grade fever and yeah, masakit lang yung katawan ko. So, hopefully hindi siya flu. But, yeah, I need to recover tonight hanggang tomorrow because Saturday, meron akong lakad. I am going to get my blood test done first thing in the morning because it's, you know, fasting. So, I always want to do it in the morning. And then, so if you haven't done an annual checkup, please do so. Mag-year end na. So, yeah. Like, especially for my age, it's a must to have, you know, your self-check. And then, in the afternoon, I'm gonna watch a movie with my good friend Lovely. We are going to watch this Filipino movie called... Shoot, I forgot. Let me research. Okay, so the movie is called Meet, Greet, and Buy. I am so excited kasi feeling ko nakakaiyak siya. And that's what I like about watching Filipino movies. Yung gusto ko naiiyak ako. Or kung comedy naman siya, I mean, obviously, I wouldn't expect to cry. Pero alam mo yung mga Pinoy movie, even if comedy yan, laging may ano eh. You know, laging may pitik. Anyway, so handa na akong umiyak sa movie theater this weekend. Kaya kailangan gumaling ako talaga. I will let you know how the movie is. Feeling ko maganda kasi nakikita ko yung mga reviews ng mga taga-Pilipinas. Naiyak naman sila. And yun lang naman yung criteria ko para maging maganda tong movie na to. Gusto ko lang maiyak. Alam mo yun? Sad trip lang, diba? So yun lang. I hope you guys have a good weekend. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye!